Thank you everybody for subscribing to our channel. We've now made it to that really high goal of 1,000 subscribers. It's been quite a journey. We started off 6 months ago not really knowing whether people would enjoy our videos or what actual content you wanted to see. We've been guided by you and it has been quite a growing experience. Please do continue to watch the videos. We will try to carry on in the same manner as we've done before. All of your questions and your comments we take on board and it really helps us, and I'm hoping we are helping you to enjoy your garden more. Currently recording this in our Festival of Flowers garden here at the nursery, and I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our partners in this venture who are Candide, and they have been brilliant support, and everyone else who has helped us to build this, from our show team to our nursery team. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe and watch our further videos. We will have many more to come. Thank you.